Hello students, you are highly welcome to this class. This is mathematics class, and in our previous classes we started the study of application of integration, and today we'll be looking at how to find the volume of a solid of revolution. That is the volume generated when a curve is revolved about a specific axis, which could be about the y-axis or about x-axis depending on the function or the curve given to you. We'll have two cases here. A situation whereby you have a curve which is a function of x, and this curve is revolved about x-axis through 2 pi radians, that's through 360 degrees. Then the formula for finding the volume of the solid generated will be given by v is equals to integral from a to b of pi y raised to power 2 with respect to x. Then the second case is a situation whereby the curve is a function of y, and this curve is revolved about y-axis through 2 pi radians, that's through 360 degrees. The volume generated by the curve will be given by v is equals to integral from a to b of pi x raised to power 2 with respect to y. So we'll illustrate these two formulas with this example. They ask us to find the volume of the solid obtained when the region bounded by the curve y is equals to x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 2. The line x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 3. The curve is revolved about x-axis through 360 degrees. So we are going to make use of the formula given to us. We can see that the curve we have here is a function of x. Y is equals to x squared plus 1 divided by 2. So which is falling under case 1. The curve is a function of x. And this curve is revolved about what? X-axis through 360 degrees. So this is basically case 1. The formula for finding the volume of solid that this curve will generate is given by v is equal to integral from a to b. So that's from the first point to the last value of x, which is what? 3. So we're integrating from 0 to what? 3. Then we have pi here multiplying y raised to power 2. Have pi multiply y raised to power 2. What is y? Y is x squared plus 1 divided by 2. So you are going to do what? We are going to square it. So I have x squared plus 1 divided by 2 all raised to power 2, because this quantity is our y and we have to what? Square it. Then we now integrate with respect to x. Since pi is a constant, pi can come out of integration. So we are going to have pi integral from 0 to 3. Then we can expand this quantity. We have x squared plus 1 raised to power 2. So if you want to expand it, it's just like doing x squared plus 1 multiplying x squared plus 1, right? If you want to expand it, so x squared multiply x squared will be x power 4. Then x squared multiply 1 is x squared. Then 1 multiply x squared is x squared. So if you add two of them, you are going to have what? 2x squared plus 2x squared. Then you are going to have what? 1 multiply 1 is what? 1 plus 1. Then when you square 2 down here, you get what? 4. So I factor this 4 down here. Remember I have pi here. So you'll be having pi over 4. Then integral from 0 to 3. Then what we'll have will be x raised to power 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. You are integrating this with respect to x. So we have to put integration with respect to x here. Right? So what we have to do here, we have pi over 4, then multiplying, we are going to perform the integration. Integrate x raised to power 4. You add the 1 to the index, add 1 to 4 to be x raised to power 5. Use this 5 to divide, divided by 5. Come to the second one. The index is what? 2. If you add 1 to 2, you are going to get 3. So you have 2x power 3 Then you are going to use the result to divided by 3. Then if you want to integrate 1 is a constant. So integral of 1 is 1 multiply the variable you are integrating with respect to. That's how to integrate a constant. That's 1 multiply x, which is x. So basically, this will be having pi divided by 4. Then you are going to evaluate this integral from what? 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Then we'll do the substitution. Substitute the upper bound. The upper bound is 3, right? You put 3 for x anywhere you see x. So you put 3 here, you're having 3 raised to power 5 over 5 plus, you put 3 here, you have 2 into 3 raised to power 3 over 3 plus 3 here, you have 3, right? Then next you put the lower bound, which is, next you put minus, then you put what? The lower bound. If you put x for 0 here, you are going, this will be 0. Put x for 0 here, you get 0. Put x for 0 here, you get 0. So the lower bound, we are going to have minus 0, because no value for the lower bound. Lower bound is putting x for 0, which is 0 throughout. So we don't have value for lower bound. So we can simplify this result further. So we are going to have pi divided by 4. 3 raised to power 5 is giving us 243 divided by what? 5. Then plus, we have what? 3 raised to power 3 multiplying to 3 raised to power 3 is 27. Multiply 2, you are going to have 54. Then divided by what? 3. Then plus 3. So you can do the simplification at your convenience. So when you simplify this, you will get the final result. So we have come to the end of this class. See you in our upcoming class. Bye.